In this video, I will provide you with some examples for floor plan examples of what the dimensions for a garage or a couple of different size garages will be. Let's start with a single car garage, 20 foot long by 11 foot. They can be smaller, 18 feet. Now keep this in mind, 18 feet is usually the minimum. And 11 foot, I believe, is going to be the minimum also for from your building departments. And the reason why I'm saying this is because one time I had to check with the building department, and these were the examples they gave me. Somebody that I knew had a two-car garage. They wanted to create another room in the garage, and the building department said you've got to leave 11 foot by 18 foot as the bare minimum. So something to consider, but you will need to check with your local building department. That's city or county most of the time to verify these measurements. I'm just kind of throwing these out there. So here's a kind of a regular size car. I'm not going to provide you with the dimensions for the car or the truck, but with an 11 foot by 20 foot garage, you can see here where it is tight. The door is 8 foot, and I believe you can get these garage doors in a variety of different sizes. You're just going to have to pay a little more for them. 8 foot, 9 foot, and 16 foot are going to be your standard sizes, but again, you would need to check with your local garage door installer or sales representatives. So you can see here where a truck, I would have a difficult time parking my truck in here. My truck, I believe, is 21 foot long. It's a standard 8 foot bed pickup truck with no extended cab on it. And it's 21 foot long, I believe. It's not going to fit in this garage here. This is probably the most standard sized garage, two-car garage in the United States, 20 foot by 20 foot, and it has a 16-foot garage door. You can usually park two cars in here comfortably. And I had a friend of mine who parked a Chevy dually. This was a 1-ton dually and a Corvette in a garage every single day like this. It was tight, but he did it. Here's a 3-car garage. You're going to usually have a double door and then a single door, but you can have 3 single doors for a 3-car garage. The measurement's usually going to be 20 foot by 30 foot. And I've actually seen these a little smaller. For example, I was looking on the internet for ideas for these dimensions, and they actually had them at 28 feet. But again, that could be pushing it. And of course, it's going to depend upon the size of car. If you have 3 small cars, then you can have a smaller garage. Here are the floor plan dimensions for a 4-car garage: 40 feet, 20 foot, 2 16-foot double doors, we got double doors here. You can always have 4 individual doors for your 4-car garage, 1 opening for each car, basically. Now, if you were going to build a 5-car garage, you're simply just going to add 10 foot per car, basically. It would be 50 foot, and then you could have 5 individual doors on it, or you could have 2 double doors and a single door on the other side. A 6-car garage, 3 double doors, or 3 doors like these. I call them double doors. I shouldn't. 3 16-foot doors, or 6 individual doors. A 7-car garage, what's it going to be? 70 foot by 20 foot. And of course, it can be a little bigger. It just can't be smaller than 18 foot, I believe. But you'd have to verify that. Again, just kind of throwing that out there. And so on. So the largest garage I ever built, I believe, was 25 foot wide, and it was 96 feet long. And I believe it was a 8-car garage with a workshop on it. So that was a large building. So now you are going to have another thing to consider, And that will be the washer and dryer. Usually you're going to add 3 feet to the length or 3 feet to the width. As you can see here, the washer and dryer is on the side. Now, you're probably not going to be able to center the garage door in a situation like this. You're going to need to leave room for the washer and dryer. But again, you'd need to check with your local building authorities, building department for that. Something like this will make more sense. But again, 23, if you're going to have an 18-foot deep garage, and that's the minimum that your city or county building department will allow, you're just going to simply add 3 feet to that in most cases. So I hope this helps. There's a lot of questions I have received on garages, and this is just another one of them. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, you know what to do. Hit the old thumbs up button.